jump right in. This is the Shoei X-14 Helmet, and this will be a short video unboxing, checking it out, giving you my initial thoughts on this helmet. Put that to the side here. Nice cover. Put that to the side. Let's see what else we got in the box here. We got a nice pin lock. We'll install that afterwards. Put the box away here. What do we have here? This is your lower wind spoiler, I believe. This is your breath guard. So essentially when you install this, it helps prevent fogging. And this is your wind curtain, I believe it's called. Also goes underneath to prevent the wind from coming in. And if you have the mic, it'll reduce a lot of the wind noise. Got some stickers, some silicone. Figure out why that's there. And we've got instructions on how to use. And some more instructions. All right. Let's open up this bad boy. Wow. Man, that color looks awesome. So in case you're wondering why I chose this color, I've got a 2020 Street Glide CVO, and the color for the bike is sand dune, which is very similar to this color shade that you see here. So I figured this sort of matches. The CVO also has red accents on it, so this red here will also match with the bike. You know, not to mention it's supposed to be very comfortable and very light. I believe the weight on this is 3.62 pounds. Take this off. Multiple positions. Got some vent up here. Some more vents here. And then also here in the front. The bottom here. Now the cool thing about this helmet is these straps here are in case, God forbid, of an accident. Emergency personnel can use these two straps here to easily remove the helmet without causing damage to your head and to your neck. Hopefully that won't ever be utilized, but it's a good safety feature that I believe comes in very few helmets, and this is the one. This is one of the ones that has it. Very cool design, very cool color. And that gold just pops. There you have it. We're gonna test this out a little bit later on. I'll do a ride video, give you my full review. Right now, I will tell you, super light, feels great, looks great, and as a point of comparison, let me show you. This is the Simpson Bandit FTW limited edition. I was able to get one of these before they actually sold out. Now this helmet is for my wife. We do a lot of two-up riding. And I had no idea prior to receiving the Shoei helmet, size difference between these two helmets. Both of them are large, but I don't know if you can tell here, you can see how much larger this helmet ultimately is. So we'll do a full review on this one as well. For now, this is the one I'm gonna be using. And we'll test it out here shortly on a ride. And then I also have my chin mount from chinmount.com that's coming shortly. And we're gonna put the GoPro on there, set up the motovlog, and give you a full review on that. So we can do future ride videos and vlogs, especially as the weather starts to get nicer here in Jersey. Love both of these helmets. Both of these helmets feel great. So we'll see. If you like this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can get notified in the future when I update new content. Thanks for watching.